Hey everybody, Principal Padrnos here. Welcome to the in-person St. Alphonsus Night Under the Stars auction and gala. Time to reach for the stars and fund some dreams. This year's Fund a Dream is focused around two things: the arts and the eats. Think of the eats as like where it all begins. You got it, the cafeteria kitchen. They say the kitchen is the heart of the home, and it also serves an important role at St. Al's. But it needs a facelift. A big one. Dream number one. For phase one of this project, our kitchen needs new floors, new paint, a garage-style serving window, and an open concept layout. Here's why it's going to be a game changer. The kitchen renovations will make the space more usable for our community, for parents and students alike. Right now, it's cramped. And our burgeoning baking club can't fit inside for basic things like measuring, stirring, whisking, stirring, whatever it takes to craft the perfect chocolate chip cookie. Mwah. More space means more opportunities for garden to table activities, more elbow room for making yummy burgers on those community bingo nights, and more room for Malanga, our hot lunch cook and kid extraordinaire, to serve meals. For these renovations, we're looking at $30,000 to make the space functional, student-friendly, in the heart of community. Dream number two. And what do we do after a lovely hot lunch meal served from our kitchen? Soccer is a favorite post-eats pastime, but balls are flying and Mr. Swanson's blood is boiling if another kid asks to get a ball that flies over the fence. We need $2,000 for a durable, portable soccer goal that can be easily transported and rolled and locked to the fence for security. Let's be honest, this is really about safety. Safety so we keep soccer balls on campus and Mr. Swanson's blood pressure at a healthy level. And now to the arts. Dream number three. Last year, you funded the Core Knowledge History and Geography program. It was absolutely amazing, and now our students are reaping the benefits. I'm hearing second graders talk about the Taj Mahal and identifying different Hindu gods. Third graders could tell you exactly where Rome is, right in the middle of the Mediterranean. Middle schoolers are traveling with Marco Polo, and others are reading The Crucible, a classic to go along with their study of colonial America. It's awesome. But we want our students to be surrounded by these places that they're learning in a visual way. We want to capture their imagination and activate their senses. Here's the plan. Our art committee has compiled stunning images of art and architecture from all over the world. Think Taj Mahal, the Sistine Chapel, Mesa Verde, Chichen Itza, the Palace of Versailles, the Parthenon, Angkor Wat, and more. These images will be placed chronologically with little descriptions along our stairwells so students can absorb the beauty and the rich history as they walk to and from class. For only $3,000, we'll get to hang 16 large and vibrant images in our school aligned to our core knowledge curriculum. Let's keep filling our minds with good things. Dream number four. St. Al's has a storied drama program, and this year we're thrilled to announce the return of the Spring Musical. When I taught at Bishop Blanchette High School, the St. Al's kids really stood out because they were confident, articulate, and had a certain gravitas. The biggest reason, I think, is because of their participation in drama, and we need your help to revitalize that program. But instead of hearing it from me, here's some St. Al's alums to share their experience.
Hello, St. Alphonsus friends. This is Malika Madden of the class of 2016. And I want to share with you the most valuable skill that I've learned from the performing arts. That skill is how to stay the course.
Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Van Halbeck and I'm a current sophomore at the University of Notre Dame. But I graduated from St. Al's in 2017 and was part of the drama department all 4 years of middle school.
Okay, musical theater, a musical, a production, a play, it's not a goal that's actualized overnight. It takes many days, many months of practice, rehearsal, refinement, struggle, and engaging in that process helps one to learn how to be patient and how to engage in the struggle, how to stay the course. And that skill is integral to success in life, whether it be in academics or one's faith or in a relationship. Learning how to stay the course is just indispensable. And musical theater taught me how to do that. I had the privilege of being in 3 musicals in my time at St. Alphonsus, and each one of those helped me to gain the capacity to stay the course.
I didn't realize it at the time, but the drama department enabled me lifelong skills that I used in high school and today. First was time management. I learned to organize my activities and my schoolwork for my best performance. Next was public speaking, because I learned at a very young age how to present myself in front of a group and not be nervous, that I use in my seminar classes to present my ideas to professors, and that I even use when I go to networking events.
And so, yes, it's fun, it's a great time of community, but more than anything, it's helped me to be patient, to stay the course, to engage in the struggle, and to strive for those higher goals.
This department is so special because it gives kids lifelong skills that they can use in professional setting, in high school, and in college. Please consider donating, and thank you so much for everything this community gave me. Go Angels and go Irish.
Pretty cool, huh? We're asking for $15,000 to update sound and light controls, pay stipends to professional staff, and to secure production rights. Yes, only middle school students participate in the spring musical or play, but the energy touches the entire student body and awakens a love for the arts. You could say it's contagious. I mean, just looking back at these old pictures from prior years is inspiring. So let's reach for the stars, St. Al's, and get to $50,000. Goal! Thanks so much for your generosity and for loving St. Al's.
Let's do it!
3.
Let's do it! Let's do it!
Let's do it! Let's do it!
We're gonna do it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Let's do it!
Let's do it!
Let's do it.